What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to the bathroom. And listen, this is pretty much what I want to call my bathroom chronicles. Y'all, I am super excited to bring y'all some content that I have been wanting to do for a minute, but now I am pausing for the cause and making sure that I deliver this content because many of you all know me for Beauty by Sweet Angel. Yes, Beauty by Sweet Angel. That channel was since deleted off of this World Wide Web. But guess what? I am that person, but I still want to share my DIYs. But I do want to dig into some of the DIYs I no longer do. Is that what I want to say? Exactly. So today, that's what I'm starting to do, and I hope you're here for it. If you are, make sure you take a moment to drop a like on this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make it your business to come hang out with your girl. I'd love to have you here. So, listen, we're in the bathroom. Hopefully it's not too much of an echo, but if it is, y'all know how the bathroom goes, so don't be alarmed, okay? So today I do want to share, I can say it's not really a major mistake because it is still effective for many people to do this DIY. However, for me, I'm just kind of, pulling back on this particular one. And I did want to share my experience and why I'm doing what I do. Now, one of my most prominent videos on Beauty by Sweet Angel channel at that particular time was my DIY coconut and baking soda concoction. It was a very popular thing at the time that I started that channel. I tried it. I loved it. I had been doing it for a long time. If you don't know, Beauty by Sweet Angel was started back in 2014, I think 2013, 2014. And a few years later, I started bringing my DIYs to the channel. And that particular DIY, baking soda, coconut oil, was one of my favorite things to do. But mind you, I was in my 40s when I started that. I'm now 61, so therefore things change, your skin change, and I had to change with the time. So when I was doing the DIY coconut oil, baking soda, what drew my attention to it was, I knew coconut oil was great for the skin. It was so nourishing, and I knew that baking soda had always been used as a less abrasive exfoliator for the skin, but I never thought about, long-term effects of anything about it, okay? And I would use the coconut oil, baking soda in the shower. I would slather it on and exfoliate from, my face, really head to toe, honestly speaking, head to toe, rinse it off in the shower, and bada bing, skin felt so good, so smooth, and I loved it, okay? I loved it. And I know it was not for everybody because when it comes to coconut oil, for some people, it can clog their pores and cause breakouts. And for sure, coconut oil can be too heavy for some skin types. And coconut oil has also been known to potentially cause fungal acne issues. Just to let you know, I am not kicking coconut oil and baking soda completely to the curb. For those who want to use it, you're welcome to do it. But let me just talk about baking soda for just a minute because you need to know before you use it. Now, baking soda can disrupt your skin's pH balance, mainly because it's too alkaline. And if used constantly, continuously, it can cause irritation, dryness, or even skin sensitivity over time. So for me, what I've decided to do is just to get to the basics of things. When it comes to the coconut oil, I was using my granddaughter decided to join me, y'all. But when it came to the coconut oil, I was using the solid coconut oil. And you know, once it hardens back up, it can potentially clog your drains. So which was another downfall. And then of course I had to spend lots of time mixing it continuously because I would use it on a regular basis, probably 3 times a week. Okay. So what I have opted to do, and I wanted to share that with y'all because there are alternatives to what you could do to exfoliate your skin. And to me, exfoliation of the skin is so important, especially now that I'm in my 60s, because your skin does not turn over like you did when you were younger. So you get buildup of dead skin and you start getting wrinkly or looking like you got more wrinkles than you generally would have, and crepey skin. So therefore, we have alternatives, and I want to share that with y'all today. So again, I do exfoliate. Now, I'm not showing today any kind of chemical kind of things because I'm currently not doing any of that on my skin at this time, other than if it's like facial kind of stuff. So let me get started. I do have everything pretty much lined up here. Again, excuse my granddaughter. There's no stopping her, y'all. I don't care what I do. There's no stopping her. So, in the shower, very simple. My body wash, whatever that may be currently. No. We're using some Dove Sensitive Skin Care Hyperallergenic Wash. This is baby wash because she and I, hey, we just tackle everything as a joint venture now. So, with that, I could use my exfoliating gloves. Works just the same as if I was mixing up some baking soda in my scrub. But the great part about this, you're not clogging the drain. You don't have any cleanup to do. It's just pour it on, scrub it up, rinse off, rinse your gloves off, and you're done. Okay? One alternative right here. And before I even got started with those gloves, let me just tell you, before you hop in the shower, you can dry brush. Very simple dry brush. And then you're also kind of helping with your lymphatic drainage. Brushing up with your dry brushes. Very simple. This will help to remove some of that dead skin that's on the body that you just cannot shed off again as you get a little bit older. Dry brushing, y'all. And everything that I'm talking about will be linked in the description box. So remember to check out my description box, okay? Then in the shower again. Do y'all remember this little exfoliating mitt I brought some time ago? Look. Put your body wash right here. Pow. Slide your hand in, or when I'm lazy, I don't even put my hand in. I just take it and I just go to town, baby. This is it. This is so simple. Just so simple. I love this one right here. This one is not as abrasive as some of the African cloths, which again, this one is very gentle, but yet it does do exfoliation to the extent where I say you can even do this daily. And speaking of exfoliating cloths, this is like an African cloth here. This is going to give you a very deep, intense exfoliation of the skin. This I love. And the other reason why I love it, I can stretch it out and I can even do my back all the way down. Yes, this right here, very simple. But, you know, I do miss my coconut oil in the sense when I finished doing that exfoliation process, I did have some nourished skin. So after I finish my shower, while I'm still in the shower, girl, one of my favorite things to do is to use oils. If you know me, you already know I'm an oil girl. I love my oils. And I rinse off the suds, okay? And then I take my oils, put it on my shoulder, my back, and let it run down to my ankles, okay? And then I just rub it in, massage it in all over. And then when I get out of the shower, I just pat dry. This is one that I use. I love this Purador Organic Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil. This is great. Yeah, I love this so much. And then another alternative is using your liquid coconut oil. and doing the same thing. One or the other. I think oils are so important for the skin. They help to bring back that nourishment that you need in your skin. The moisture, yes, you do need that. And I feel this particular method works better for my skin, and works better for my drains and all around. You know, I'm not really putting in any crazy chemicals on the skin. Y'all know this big thing with red dye and all kind of craziness nowadays. You really have to be particular in what you do and how you do. But most importantly, what I want you to do is to listen to your skin and choose your products wisely. Choose what works best for you. I just want to simply bring it to y'all what I'm currently doing, because I know I kind of dropped off the face of the earth and people didn't know what was up, what's going on, what do you use now, what's happening. Now you know. When it comes to this particular DIY, you know, I'm not kicking it to the curb completely saying don't ever use it. You can, but you know, use things sparingly. But this is something more sustainable for me that I can maintain, and that's, again, easy when it comes to my lifestyle currently. I don't have to do any mixing. I just hop in the showers, lather up, bathe off just like I normally do, and just apply my oils, pat dry, and I'm done. And we all know what works for one person may not work for another. So you decide upon what works best for you. This is it, y'all, and I appreciate you coming to hang out with your girl here on Sweet Angel TV. Thank you so much again for your support. We are rolling. We are rolling. We are all the way. Getting ready to hit 10,000 beautiful babes over here, 10,000 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please, I encourage you to do so. It's a great place to hang out at. We be over here doing our thing, okay? So make sure if you don't see something that you like to watch, that you want to see from me, please, I encourage you to chat it up in the comments, and I will definitely do my best to bring it to you. I am signing out for now. Y'all take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.